Looks impressive. Does almost nothing. If you own an automatic watch, you've probably been told that you need a watch winder. You don't. For most watch owners, a watch winder is an expensive solution to a problem that barely exists. And in some cases, it actually increases wear on the movement. Let's talk about what winders really do, who actually needs one, and why most people are better off without it. Number 1, automatics are designed to stop. Letting a watch stop doesn't harm it. Restarting a watch doesn't damage it. On top of that, modern lubricants are far more stable than vintage-style lubricants. This means they don't have the tendency to gum up and become more sticky and less viscous. I prefer watches that are built to be worn regularly, not kept spinning in a display box. Number 2, wear is wear. A watch winder keeps the movement running. That means it keeps it in constant motion. That means constant wear. In my opinion, I think of it very much like a car's engine. You wouldn't park a vehicle and not ever touch it. There's going to be problems. At the same time, you wouldn't leave your vehicle idling for months at a time either. You're going to have problems. Just like a vehicle's engine, the engine of your watch is designed to stop running for periods of time with little to no damage at all, as long as periodically it's started and allowed to move and distribute the lubricants inside the way they should be. The convenience argument. If setting the time on your watch takes 30 seconds, is that really a problem of convenience? Now, just before you think I'm completely anti-watch winders, I'm not. But this is where they actually make sense. Perpetual calendar watches. Watches that are difficult to set. And large multi-watch collections where a person wants multiple watches to be accurate and running at any time. Again, this falls back into the argument of convenience. A watch winder doesn't maintain your watch. It maintains your convenience. You don't idle your car all winter to keep it healthy. You start it once in a while. Same idea. If you love how it looks, buy one. If you want convenience, buy one. But don't tell yourself it's extending the life of your watch. It's not a preservation tool, it's a convenience appliance.